Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pink two-colored bracelet, and I will use two different colors of pink, one light, one darker pink, a crochet hook, it's a 2.5mm crochet hook, and scissors. So to begin this pattern, let's make a slip knot. As you can see, the lighter color is on my right, the darker color is on my left side. I'm going to begin the pattern by doing yarn over from the front to the back with my darker color, and then grab the lighter pink yarn with my hook, and then pull through. I'm always going to yarn over from the front to the back with the darker color and then grab the lighter color and pull through. And as you can see now, my lighter color is always going to end up on the right side and my darker color is going to end up on the left side. So yarn over from the front to back with the darker, grab the lighter color, pull through, and you can keep repeating that for as long as needed until you have the right length. So you keep going and you keep making these chains, these stitches, until you get the right length. So I think I need a couple of more. Eventually you'll find a comfortable way of holding these the yarn when it's two colored. This is comfortable for me. I have both of them with my pinky, but I separate them with my index finger. I keep enough tension here so it's not too tight or too loose, and I do the yarn over and then yarn over again, and eventually it becomes very natural when you practice it. I think that's good enough. From here, we can just pull out the yarn, cut it with scissors, and then this end you can tie with a simple knot or double knot. And then cut these tail ends to approximately the same length. And now you have this pretty two-colored bracelet. What you can do with the ends is either just tie them around the wrist, or you can make a sliding knot. And I have a few different tutorials of different types of sliding knots that you can use. Check out the playlist below. I've also included a link to the materials I used today, which is acrylic yarn from Amazon. It's very easy to work with. very soft and comfortable. So that's a sliding knot, but if I don't tie the ends, if I don't make knots at the end, it will come off. Let's make one knot on each end. And there. It's a very simple and pretty two-colored friendship bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.